The Pakistani government and Prime Minister Imran Khan have made the Clean Green Pakistan movement a policy priority. China commends Pakistan's commitment and stands ready to work with Pakistan and the rest of the international community.
Nature. And I salute what Prime Minister Imran Khan has done in promising to plant, I think, 10 billion trees, a huge campaign of forestation already underway. I salute what Imran Khan is doing to replant the mangrove groves, which are so vital for hoovering up CO2. And of course, I can't promise to plant 10 billion here in the UK. We're going to do hundreds of thousands.
Indeed, the extraordinary efforts of countries like Pakistan are inspiring communities across the globe to take new, bold actions to protect and restore the environment. Look, for instance, to its commitment to source 2/3 of its energy needs from renewables, to its billion-tree tsunami program, which is restoring ecosystems, allowing wildlife to return and creating new green jobs at the same time, and to its pioneering work to develop a nature performance bond.
I really applaud Pakistan's 10 billion tree tsunami that is restoring over 1 million hectares of degraded forests. Congratulations. Through its many nature-positive initiatives, Pakistan is showing that it is possible to combine the objectives of livelihoods, resilience, and ecological health. Thank you for walking the talk.
Pakistan is showing us the way. The Prime Minister recently planted the 1 billionth tree of the 10 billion tree tsunami. Bravo to all. For example, UNEP's recent inclusive wealth analysis of Pakistan's economy showed that the afforestation efforts underway are likely to increase natural capital and inclusive wealth. Pakistan's economy is growing in the right direction.